How to add a profile to Instagram account center. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Instagram. Now once you're in, you have to open up your profile, and here you have to click on these three horizontal lines and go on the settings and the privacy. And here you have to go on your account center, and here you can manage your connected experiences of your account like Meta technologies of the Facebook, Instagram and Meta. And here you have to open up your profiles. Here is all the profile that you made. Here is the Facebook profile which is connected to your Instagram and also the Instagram account. And here is your main Instagram ID. Here you have to go on the name that you can change only twist with 14 days, or the username, profile picture or the avatar. And here you have to click on the OK, and you are able to create your profile. And here you can add all the account settings, like you can active or deactivate your account or login, password and security. Here you can check all of these in the account settings. So yeah, this is how you can add a profile to Instagram account center.